one body paragraph. This will go a long way towards having a coherence score of 7 plus. Body paragraph, you mean how you have header, you have like body, which is like the main thing of a letter, and then you got like footer, like where you end it, regards and all that, and then you got have a plan, know in advance where you intend to place information and what information you will use to make connections. Like when you have to plan well. If you are writing a letter, like you have to plan that, okay, I have to write a letter about that topic. In the beginning, in the first paragraph, I will use like I will mention those things, and like things which are very important, or like those things beside, I will mention in the body paragraph. And in the end, like when you say in the end, the last thing I would like to summarize, I will mention that. So plan ahead. That's like a very good advice. When you are writing a letter, just like write down on the piece of paper before you start writing that these are the points. In the header, I will mention these points. I will start like that, and then the main points or these points I will mention in the body paragraph in the middle, and in the end I will end this like this. Just make some points and then just follow that pattern.
Okay.
Sequencing, if the ideas flow logically and seamlessly, you coherence score will surpass 7 plus. See, proper structure. See, if the ideas flow logically and seamlessly, you will coherence flow logically and seamlessly. Like when you are writing, you're like how you are linking the sentences or paragraph. So the ideas, it should go like logically, so it will be making all the sense whatever you are writing, and the way you have used commas and how you have linked all the sentences. So that all should be giving logic. There should not be a thing that they would be getting a feeling that you are just writing some words complete 150. So whatever you should be writing, like address all the points and should be like meaningful and should be like logically, and obviously how you link the sentences, the words and although and therefore and all that will like help you a lot. And then referencing, linking, these things, see, linking, that's like these, that, these, those, and other referencing language will increase the coherence. Use linking language to connect sentences, linking language, this, therefore, these, that, and thus, all these kind of things. These, however, all these are linking sentences or linking paragraph. So this is what you have to use, however, therefore, however, these kind of things.